Oh, Sleepy Bird! The phone! Sleepy Bird! Perhaps if you all say, "Wake up, Sleepy Bird," with me, she'll awake. Ready?
Wake up, Sleepy Bird!
Wake up! The phone! You've got to go out. I see. Well, I'm sure you can find someone to babysit Baby Bird. Just ask.
No, you! Pato, please!
Sleepy Bird wants to know if one of you can babysit Baby Bird for a while. No? What if the one who babysits doesn't have to tidy up? What's that, Pato? You'll babysit Baby Bird? Wonderful. So that means you'll do the tidying up, right, Pocoyo? Hello, Baby Bird. Have a nice nap. Your mother isn't here, Baby Bird. She's gone out for a little while. Now, Baby Bird. Look, it's your friend Caterpillar. You'll be happy if Caterpillar can stay with you. Well, that sounds like a good idea. Oh, They're copying you, Pato. Feeding time. What? That's not what your mummy feeds you. Cake? If Pato lets you have cake, will you stop crying and go straight to bed? Oh dear, Pato. It seems Caterpillar needs to use the toilet. Now! Quick, quick! Hurry, hurry! Uh-oh. At last, time for bed. Your mother always takes you for a walk on the moon first. But you promised then you'll go straight to bed. Now to bed. Pato could really do with some help, Pocoyo. Babysitting is really hard work. I know. What if the two of you joined forces? What do you think? Should Pato and Pocoyo work together?
Yes! They should work together!
Baby Bird wants to know what you're doing, Pocoyo.
We sleep.
Ah, Pocoyo and Pato are sleepy and want to use your beds. Okay. No? You want Pocoyo and Pato to get their own beds? Well, okay. You guys did such a super job. Sleepy Bird wants you to babysit every day. Do you think they should babysit every day?
Yes! Yes, they should do it every day.
Oh, well. Hooray for teamwork. Bye-bye. See you soon.